everybody, welcome back to TAZ's Wig Closet. Today we're going to discuss this short to mid-length, very fun, spirited shag style cut by Push Hair. This one is called Celine in the color Rootbeer Float Blonde. You're not going to want to miss these details. Now remember, this wig can be found right here at WIGSTUDIO1. If you drop below the video, expand the description box, there'll be a direct product link to this style. So as you can see, Celine has tons of layers all the way around. And I love this butterfly cut bang. It's 4.5 inches. It certainly could be trimmed if you wanted to go to a straight across bang, but the way it is, it just butterflies right back into these layers. It frames the face beautifully. It can be worn down over the forehead and scooped over the eyebrow, and you could just build a little bit of contour in the front like I like to do to keep that out of my eyes during the review. Overall, it's about 10 inches. It has this spectacular, shaggy, wavy style. It's very fun, spirited. It's also more casual in appearance, which really hits my sweet spot. If you like styles like Aesthetica Jones, this is definitely a nice sister style with some amazing upgrades in the cap compared to that style. And also the Rene Of Paris Nyx. This reminds me a lot of that one. Very popular style as well. So the magic in Celine are these layers. The curl. And now for an inside look at the cap. Let's take a look. So you're seeing an extended lace front there, a full monofilament top, open wefted sides and back, Velcro adjusters, everything that you want in an upgraded cap. This is going to give this style maximum versatility in its styling and its natural appearance. So let's get up close on this lace front. There should be no doubt about the realism and soft look of this lace front with its fine knots. They bring the highlight right up to that root, which softens the area, makes it look more natural as well. Highlights the face, and it's seamless going back through the ear tab. It's absolutely spectacular. Now this one is right out of the box. I just found a parting space. Remember, a full monofilament top, you can part this anywhere you want, directly down the center, a little bit right, a little bit left. And so I just tended to push this back and see how I could get the best contoured look. And so that seems to be a little bit right down the center for me. It's a very lightweight style. This is made from that famous bell tress, buttery, velvety, luxurious, heat-friendly fiber. Just the perfect length above the collar on most people. The density is really light and feathery, and I'm not sensing any permatease on this one. The volume is coming from the cut and the layers, and you can just fluff those out if you want, bringing air into them, or you could tamp them down for a lower profile look. But I think you're going to fall in love with this bang and the layers on Celine. So before we move on to styling, I want to give you a close-up look at this color, Rootbeer Float Blonde, available on this style. And this is a really nice neutral to cool blonde. It's very dynamic as well. You're looking at a 16, an 88, a 103, and an 8 root. So everything there on a medium brown root, which transitions and blends beautifully. You're going to see a combination of some sandy, ashy blondes, and then some platinum running through there as well. Just enough of that sandy warmth to give it a nice effect around the skin on any skin tone. I believe this one would work really well. Push Hair Celine is going to look fantastic with your glasses. So if you're a full-time glasses wearer, they fit nicely and neatly, securely and comfortably between the ear and the ear tab. Nice glasses-friendly wig for all day wear. So I'm just going to go ahead and move this around. You can get a sense of this really light density, the versatility of this style, the extreme natural look. Be sure to check it out at WIGSTUDIO1 exclusively. All of the links are below this video.